Hello viewers, this is FX Game. In this video, we are going to see about lathe tool. Lathe tool is normally an easiest and powerful tool. We can make objects using lathe tool, and our day-to-day life objects are in lathe shape. Today class is about how to make beach cones using lathe tool. Before going into this video, viewers who didn't subscribe this channel yet, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my new videos notifications. Okay, let's begin the class. Now you can see a top spinner which is made by lathe tool, and this is bronze oil lamp that is also made by lathe tool. This tabla and Udkai and Bettermax lantern also made by lathe tool. Not only these models, we can make many models using lathe tool. You can get all these 3D models free in fxcave.com. You can download and can use it. Hereafter, if you see all these models, you can think that this was made by loft or lathe. And you can also make these objects using lathe and loft tool. Now I will show you how to make lathe. I am going to create this shape using spline. Now I will change this into 3D. I have taken a spline. Now I am creating one side to create a shape like this and aligning this way using Bezier. I just made this as rough diagram. I will edit this by clicking on Bezier vertex and Bezier node. I am adjusting this shape. If Bezier is in linear, change it by right clicking. Now I am clicking on spline. If you press Alt and click on lathe, it changes into 3D. I didn't express this shape, I need a pot shape. In tools, select pivot, and if you move it towards left side, you will get a correct shape. After this, select the vertex of the spline and move it little bit. You can correct the shape. According to the segment, either it should be in natural or uniform. Next, select this spline using create outline option. You can create like this. See now, I have completely changed its shape. By selecting the vertex again, I am changing its shape into a wine glass shape. In that shape, by adding extra or another vertex, I am changing that into another shape. Now I don't need the outline, so I am deleting after changing that into a final shape. I can fine tune it better. Now you know what I am doing. I am making a pongal pot using lathe. We can convert or change a single object into many shapes. This is the specialty of this tool. These models you are seeing now are available in fxcave.com website. You can download it and can use it. All these models are made using lathe. Next, using this lathe, we are going to create a different shape, that is cone shape. I am simply creating a semicircle using spline, or I am creating an arc shape. Next, I am increasing the angle. The top part is rotating. And next, I am scaling and increasing subdivision and angle. Finally, it changed into a cone shape. It is easy to make the cone shape. I am not going to make a simple 3D model. I am going to make a white conch 3D model. Let's see how to make that. So already I have created one side of the conch using spline. For that, I have taken the front and back image of the conch and loaded it in the background. I had already told these steps in my past videos, how to download an image in background. Any doubt? You can check that. Okay, next I am going to adjust the bottom shape by adjusting the scaling and movement little bit. Okay, now we got the basic shape of the conch. Now we have to fine tune that. You can see that the bottom of the shape is uneven. To correct that, I am changing this lathe into mesh. In your keyboard, by pressing C, the lathe will change into editable mesh. Select the bottom vertex, and if you click on movement tool, you will get the soft selection. In soft selection, you can adjust how much soft selection you need, and you can also move it upwards and can correct it. You can move the vertex and can change the shape. If you move the bottom vertex down again, you will get a round shape. Okay, now by selecting the lathe, I am adding cloth surface. After adding cloth surface, you can increase the thickness. We got the correct thickness for our mesh. You can see these edges are sharp due to thickness. We need to smooth the edges. So again I am changing that into a mesh. For easy way, you can press C, it will change into a editable mesh. In center, we are going to add a segment. For that, I am using loop tool. Select the segment, and now by selecting the loop, cut, click on the edge, then we will get the new segment in the center. But if you are selecting the segment, it takes too much time without repeating. We should cut the edge by touching the vertex. Now I have selected the segment and cutted it. So segment only be there in the selection. I am converting the segment into a vertex. See what I am doing carefully. Okay, now vertex has been selected. Now I am tracking the unwanted vertex by pressing Ctrl and dragging it. Now I am moving this vertex towards x-axis. Okay, now we got a curved edges. Now I am using the polygon brush to change that into embossed shape. If you follow my steps carefully, you can know that. This model you are seeing has been rendered by Acton Render. In path tracing setup, I have given maximum sample 500 and diffuse sample 8 for render in that way. The render had been taken, so I think quality is not bad. Render yourself and share your experience in the comment box. Okay viewers, I think this video will be useful to you. If you like this video, like, share, comment. Okay viewers, see you in next exciting and interesting video. Until then, stay tuned to fxcave.com.